Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Westlake local and long distance. Movers near me. Although long-distance shifts are not easy, it requires you to collect legal permits and licenses that help you cross state or country lines and complete the shift. As long-distance shifts can be risky for your belongings, our movers use specific equipment to pack your products and shift them under supervision. Additionally, we provide insurance on all your products, which means, in case of any wear and tear, we will bear the damage. Even if you plan to shift to a nearby society, you should always hire a professional mover like 3 movers. We provide shifting but packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and resettling your products at the most affordable price. And for local shifts, we provide same-day shifting so that our clients can enjoy the milestone they have achieved. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westlake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.